attempting to do optimate duo battery maintainer. These are connections that go on the battery. The battery is a pain in the ass because somebody's put their modified connection there. It's a bog standard 12 volt lead battery. Essentials. Magnet. Because you all lose your fucking screws. I'll do negative first. Black is negative. Make sure the metal does not touch anything metallic. Or that you don't touch anything like the frame. Because you then make a circuit and you can get a shock. Or fuck your fuses. It's a lot easier if I hadn't had surgery a week ago. Still, the metal work is now out. It just means I can't manage it out for a week and a half. I can do about a week and a half without a bike. I cannot do longer than that. I'll go fucking batshit. So I'm bored and I'm doing this. Do it up, not all the way tight, so you can still wiggle around a little bit. These come fused. I was confused. I'll loosen terminals off with a spanner. Traditional 10mm. It's a jack blank. And a screwdriver to get them out. And this one has a really different connection. The different connection is not an issue really, it's just someone's obviously lost the nut and decided to just improvise. Just if you're not careful, you can snap the battery terminal. Fuck. Right, if that does happen, and you want to take a chance, taking it off, you can just cut that with a pair of scissors and twist it on that one. I am trying to avoid permanent damage. Yeah, that's wedged on well fucked. If someone's got con jobs that shops do, they do it so that you have to go and buy new shit, like from your backdrop, and you turn it just so they can make more fucking money out of you. Yeah, we've actually got a fucking like a little lock on the bottom of the nut, so it's actually impossible to get the fucking off. The way they've done it is really cheap, sneaky bastard thing to do. You get a bit of copper wire, you wrap it around underneath and twist it back on itself. It costs nothing, but it means you can't really get the fucking knot off. So why would you be so mean? Because they're going to charge you 60 quid an hour to fix it. On a normal battery terminal, the entire process takes less than 5 minutes. You undo 2 nuts, no, yeah, fuck that one, and then you put connections on, wire on back on. Dash positive, we've got a fuse attached to it. Now, at the moment there's no circuit, so you can't get that. So if you attach it, you create a circuit. So just attach anything metallic. And for eyeballs at work. Screw through the pen, screw through the pen. You get your nerds that I want to use, like torque hunters and shit. You want on and a little bit. There's no wiggle room. Of course, because these are in front, it feels like it's on tight when it's actually fucking not. Okay, those are on. Make sure they're pointed away from the metal frame, just in case they split or arc. Right, that's that done. That is essentially it. That is a battery maintainer attached. You can put it through a hole in the side, like I've done. However, that's actually an inspection window. There's no space whatsoever to attach it. The other end. Plug it in. And thankfully, that's now reading accurate. Green means it's connected, orange, amber means it's charging. It's a jack bike, so it's been sat for a week and a half, so it would probably start on the button. Unlike a Chinese bike where it dies after 2 days, or 2 miles. Okay, that is essentially it. It's not in use, that can get tucked away in there. Heat on, no bother. Now, the nice thing about the Optimate Duo is that because it's a modern smart charger, you can actually plug this thing in and leave it plugged in all year round without ever unplugging it. It works on 6 volt to gel batteries, lithium standard. Yes, my bike needs a wash. I'm not that bored. Right, so that's it. 2 minutes over, as long as your screw's not too fucked.